In today's video, I am going to show you how you can recover your deleted chats on Snapchat. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. If you have accidentally deleted your messages on Snapchat and now you want to recover them, then what you have to do is to open Snapchat application. Click on your profiles icon at the top left corner of your screens and then go to settings. Scroll down and click on the second last option, My Data. Scroll down. Now first enter your email address and after that confirm your email address again. After that you can select the time frame of which you want your data. For example, if you want your data for the last 30 days, so click on this last 30 days option and then click on the submit request option. Once you click on submit request, a file containing your information will be sent to your email address. Once you have received that file, all you have to do is to open it. And in that file you will see your deleted chats on Snapchat. In this way you can recover your deleted messages or chats on Snapchat. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.